Alright guys, so here it is. The new shift knob from Renegade Motorsports. And I got the hold on, let me see if I can find it. Hold on. There you go, right here. The burnt blue tip. I think it's I forgot the name of it, but I will post a link or the picture of it. Check this out. This is what it comes with. It comes with two stickers. I mean, one sticker. Renegade sticker, and then their business card. Dash fresh. There you go. That's their social media. Their email, or you can probably find them on Instagram. That's where I did. That's where I did. That's what I did, and that's where I found them, on Instagram. Here it is. Oh, I forgot to cut this. Here it is. Countersunk. Let me, hold on. Here it is. Oh, titanium. There you go. It's titanium. Burnt tip. Countersunk, meaning it's going to sit lower because the threads are higher or deeper inside. Countersunk. But I do wish this wasn't so wide open, so it could have something to grab onto in case it gets loose, and it would be more sturdy instead of just grabbing the top of the threads. But I think it'd be the same thing, to be honest, but that's just my opinion, my thoughts. So let's go ahead and install it and see how it comes out. A little quick video, just getting some parts for the S2K, got some other things in mind. We'll get back to it. Or actually, here's a better video. I'll do it from the bottom right here. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That should be better. Here it is. Look how dirty it is. I'll wash it later. So, okay. I forgot I didn't measure the height, but you can see it right there. Just kind of see it. So that's where it's at. I'll switch it right here in front of your eyes, so you can see the difference. See this? I didn't even know what this is from. I thought it was Skunk 2, but it doesn't have Skunk 2 engraved, so it's not Skunk 2. So this is what I was talking about. I wish it was a little bit tighter on the bottom of the countersunk one. Okay, look at. I mean, of course, once it's bolted down, I mean screwed on, it's not gonna be loose like that. But I think if it was a little bit slimmer, it'll be easier to not break the tip if you bang gears. That's just what I think. Oh. Hold on. This fucking boot is in the way, actually. Let me see if I can go ahead and adjust that. Be back. Okay, so there's a difference. I had to push it all the way to the bottom. So there's two ways to do it. You could either buy the short shifter or just get this countersunk shift knob and make it shorter. This was 155. Nice. I like it. The weight's different. And then this one, you know what? This is actually lighter. This feels lighter, but with more weight, it'll be easier to throw the gears. So, see how it does that? There you go. So I had to put this freaking sticker right there. She was annoying me. So yeah, so to be honest, it feels heavier, which I think is gonna be easier to throw gears. Like I said, price was 150, 155 with the burnt tip. I think their basic one was like $85, which was like, I think, black or something. This is like the titanium with the burnt tip. Their short shifter that comes with like the little shifter with the collar. I think with a new spring, and it's a whole kit. That's just $450. $450. It's not bad, I guess, if that's what you really want to do. This I believe will be sitting like down here, or maybe like half of it. And I've seen videos and it looks nice. It has more like a stiffer feel. So it's gonna feel more like a drag car, like a race car. But to be honest, I'd rather spend $450 on the turbo kit because I am planning to boost this car. It's already built for turbo. Sleeve, pistons, rods, springs, retainers, all that stuff. And you know, when you're out there catching runs in Mexico, you don't want to hit that money shift. That 1, 2, then 1. That 1, 2, 1, done. Because your fucking tranny and your motor are gonna explode for sure. So you kind of want a nice height, even longer ones, to be honest, if you want to be banging gears, drag racing. I'm not planning to drag race, but if I'm in Mexico and you know, somebody trying to catch a run, why not? But I'm gonna show you guys the difference. So I'm gonna show you guys from this side. So here's 1, here's 2, 3, 4, hold on, 5, 6. To be honest, man, for $150, big difference. So anyways, that's what it was. Hopefully this video is short. I don't want to make it too long. I just want to show you guys the upgrades that I'm doing. Maybe more suspension work. We'll see. All right, here you go. Getting off of work right now, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, talk your shit. Fuck it, I'm with it, you know. It's all fun and games. Peace out. Had to be Junior, baby. Follow me on Instagram, insane_JR760. Late.